Chapter 13 Creepy Crawlies. Our earth is full of tiny creatures. The creepy crawlies animals group includes insects, spiders, earthworms, snails, and scorpions. They are found on land and in water. Insects. Creatures having 6 legs are called insects. Insects crawl, but some insects, such as cockroaches, beetle, housefly, etc., can even fly. Insects hatch from eggs. The body of an insect consists of 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Housefly. Houseflies feed on human and animal food and waste materials. Mosquito. Mosquitoes bite people and suck their blood. They breed in standing water. Honeybee. Honeybees make hives, in which they collect nectar and make honey. There may be thousands of bees in a beehive. Ants are social insects. They live with many other ants. Most ants eat everything. Some even eat meat. Others, such as the black ant, eat only fruits and grass. Fact zone. When an ant finds a new food source, it hurries back to the nest, pressing its body onto the ground as it runs. This leaves a trail of scent, which other ants can follow to reach the food. Worms. A worm is a long creature with no bones. Its body is divided into many segments, for example, a millipede and a centipede. They eat plants and live in damp places. Earthworms are very useful for farmers. They make the soil fertile. Snails live inside their shell. The shell protects them from their enemies. Spiders and scorpions. Spiders and scorpions are neither insects nor worms. They belong to a different family of animals called arachnids. Their bodies have 2 parts and they have 8 legs. A scorpion has a sharp sting at the end of its tail. Most spiders have 8 eyes. Spiders weaves a sticky web to trap the insects for food. Fact zone. Once upon a time in Greece, a young girl called Arachne won a weaving contest with the goddess Athena. An angry Athena turned Arachne into a spider. This is why spiders are also called arachnids. Water insects. Water insects spend their life cycle in water. Mayflies and stoneflies are some water insects. Avoid illness. Mosquitoes drink blood to survive. The bite of a female mosquito could give us malaria or dengue. The best way to avoid them is to make sure that there are no open drain or puddles in the neighborhood. Houseflies spread diseases like typhoid, cholera, dysentery, and diarrhea. We must keep our house and its surroundings clear. We must not eat uncovered food. If you don't keep food covered, cockroaches may get into food containers. Since they also travel inside drains, they can cause diseases. It is said that cockroaches existed even before the dinosaurs. Who eats whom? Most insects eat smaller beings. A dragonfly often tries to eat another insect, such as spider or housefly, while spiders eat any insect caught in their web. Even a dragonfly. Mosquitoes, leeches, lice, and bedbugs drink blood to survival. Leech usually lives in water. It attaches itself to other creatures and sucks their blood. To keep them away from us and our pets, we should make sure that we bath ourselves and our pets regularly. Flea powders and tick powders help to keep fleas and ticks away from dogs. Earthworms eat dirt. Cockroaches eat everything. The enemies of crawling animals are lizards, frogs, and birds. Concept map. Lead day. Creepy crawlies. Insects. Mayflies.